Hey, 7th grade. So we just learned about Augustus, okay, Caesar Augustus, a.k.a. Octavian, a.k.a. Julius Caesar's adopted nephew, and the job he did leading the Roman Empire. Remember, he took over as emperor, the one person in charge of all of Rome. It's the difference between the empire and the republic. Republic, you vote for the leaders, a bunch of leaders in charge. Empire, no voting, one person in charge of everything. And that was Augustus. And he made some changes to power and politics and how that worked, and everybody was swearing allegiance to him. He made some changes in the laws to make things more fair for Romans. He made some changes in the business, make things a little safer, changed up how they did things with the military. So he made lots of changes, and it's going to lead to 200 years of peace and prosperity. Okay. Now, we did also watch a video about some of his criticisms that people give him. So it's your time to show me what you know about Augustus. And how we're going to do this is you're going to create a report card for Augustus. You are grading him on his leadership and the things that he's done. Okay? If you have a paper copy of it, it looks something like this. Okay? Roman Emperor report card. I know it's backwards on the screen right now. But essentially what you're going to be doing is, after learning about the changes and reforms that Augustus did, you're going to assign him what you think is a fair grade. A would be really awesome. Best leader ever. No major mistakes. Everything he did helped Rome, and here's why. Right? B, hey, it's pretty good. Some good, some bad. Here's why. Let me explain. Okay? If you give him the whole way down to like an F, worst leader ever, didn't help Rome, only hurt Rome, and here's the reasons why. Now, the big things you got to make sure you have. You can check out this checklist. It's on Canvas. Okay? A digital copy, or if you have the paper copy. Got to give a title. So the title is just going to be a report card for Augustus, okay, or Caesar, if you want to call him Caesar, or Octavian, if you want to get his birthday. Give me a picture of the emperor. This can be something you print offline. It can be something that you take time to draw. If you're kind of like me, okay, just a beginning artist, stick figure with a crown or stick figure with some hair or something like that, that's fine. Okay, some kind of picture of him. The years he served as emperor, you can find that on the Nearpod. Okay, check out the Nearpod on Canvas. It has the years that he was the emperor. The grade that you're going to give him. A is really good. F, really bad. Okay, you get to choose the grade. It can be somewhere in the middle too. But you have to give comments. That's number 5 on this list. You have to explain why you gave him that grade. Okay, give examples from history. Give examples from the Nearpod, from the video that I made for the lesson, for the notes. Okay, check that out. Have reasons why. You have to explain. Every good teacher is going to leave comments and explain. Maybe send an email home, something like that. All right. So have fun with it. There's an example at the bottom, okay, of some teacher comments. Okay, if you want to be like, well, how do I sound like a teacher? Check that out. That'll give you kind of some words and phrases to use. The grading rubric is on the back of the paper. Okay. So check that out. If you guys get stuck or have questions or you're not sure how to make this, you can make it on paper, draw everything out, and hand it in that way. You can do that and take pictures and send it to me. You can make this on Canva. You can make this on Google Docs, Google Slides, really however you want to do it. It's fine with me, as long as you have everything that's on that checklist. If you get stuck, send me an email, and I'd love to help you out. All right, folks, have a good one.